guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for everyone who watched my last video. I got a lot of videos coming. I'm gonna have it lined up. I'm thinking about uploading maybe every day, do a little everyday thing, or at least every other day. But other than this, let's get right into it. So the first part I want to talk to you guys about is motorcycle gear. Me personally, I don't judge people who don't ride motorcycle gear, even though I think that they should 100%. I think that they should 100% wear motorcycle gear. I've had it where people told me stories where they could have saved their self from a lot of injury if they had motorcycle gear. I had some people tell me that their head got split open because they was wearing no helmet, and they had to have like 30 stitches in their head, and they just think to themselves, only if they would have wore a helmet it would have been fine. But what I do when I wear motorcycle gear, I wear a helmet. Again, I'll put these up on the screen or in the description so you guys can look it up on Amazon. But I wear a motorcycle helmet. It wasn't that much. I know some people are worried about how much money certain motorcycle helmets are, but the one I got was only like 60 bucks on Amazon, and it works. This is the same helmet I was wearing when I went down, and it's still, you know, I got another one, but these motorcycle helmets are pretty good for the price. So it was only 60 bucks on Amazon, the ILM. They come in all different colors, matte colors, gloss color. Like I have a glossy black, and I also have a matte black. I honestly, and they also come with the clear and tinted visor. I honestly think they're really good if you're really struggling with money and you don't want to spend all that much money. I would say it's the best way to go. Now what I wear armor wise, what I wear, I got it from Cycle Gear. It was like about, I think it was about 112. Again, I'll put it up on the screen. It's a chest and back armor. So it actually comes in handy. You can wear whatever you want to wear. Like I mainly wear a compression shirt. A compression shirt is what I mainly wear. Don't you guys just love going over roundabouts? I mainly wear a compression shirt, and you know, it's compression long sleeve compression shirt, and then I'll just put the armor over it. Then what I do pants wise, I mainly just wear cargo pants. I'm not really a jeans person. For some reason I just don't like wearing jeans. I can't get into it. But cargo pants is mainly what I wear. And shoes, I used to wear sneakers. Now I wore sneakers when I went down, and so I honestly do not recommend wearing sneakers whatsoever. I mean, if you do, that's on you. I'm all for it. Like I said, I'm not judging anyone, but a lot of people told me stories even about that, where they wore sneakers and their leg and it rolled and ankle, they broke it. So now I wear these I don't know what they're called. All I know is they're boots, but they go over your ankle. They're like high top boots, and so that's what I wear for my pants, and that's practically all I ride with. And then as you guys can see, I also ride with gloves that protect your hands, especially your knuckles. That's practically everything I wear. But again, I'll put this all on screen. Again, it was just a quick video. I just wanted to let you guys know like what I ride, the motorcycle gear I ride with, and how I feel on motorcycle gear. Like I said, I'm not judging anyone who doesn't wear motorcycle gear, but I honestly think you should, especially because some of these drivers out here, they can't even drive. And I'm not saying I'm a perfect driver, but when I drive, I'm like very cautious, especially when I'm like near motorcycles. I already get worried, like I don't want to go anywhere near them. I'll make sure I'm no way near them. So I just wanted you guys to tune in. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. Take care and peace out.